students, welcome to Decimal Study. In this video, we will discuss some important questions of metals and non-metals which are repeatedly asked in exams. It is important on exam point of view. So let's begin. The first question is, aluminium is used for making cooking utensils. Which of the following properties of aluminium are responsible for the same? The right answer is option D, good thermal conductivity and high melting power. Next question. The most abundant metal in the earth crust is? Options are iron, aluminium, calcium, sodium. The right answer is option B, aluminium. Next question. The poorest conductor of heat among metal is? Options are lead, mercury, calcium, sodium. The right answer is option A, lead. Which property of metal is used for making bells and strings of musical instruments like stars and violin? Options are sonorous, malleability, ductility, conductivity. The right answer is option A. Next question. Al2O3 plus 2NaOH is equals to dash plus H2O. The right answer is option C, NaAlO2. Which of the following is a correct arrangement of given metal in ascending order of their reactivity? Zinc, iron, magnesium, sodium. Options are zinc is greater than iron, magnesium is greater than zinc, sodium. Option B, sodium is greater than magnesium, magnesium is greater than iron, iron is greater than zinc. Option C, sodium is greater than zinc, zinc is greater than magnesium, magnesium is greater than iron. Option D, sodium is greater than magnesium, magnesium is greater than zinc, zinc is greater than iron. The right answer is option D. Next question. Which of the following pairs will give displacement reactions? Options are FeSO4 solution and copper metal. Option B, AgNO3 solution and copper metal. Option C, CuSO4 solution and silver metal. NaCl solution and copper metal. The right answer is option B, AgNO3 solution and copper metal. Next question. Non-metals from overland chlorides because? Options are they can give electrons to chlorine, they can share electrons with chlorine, they can give electrons to chlorine atoms to form a chloride ions, they cannot share electrons with the chlorine atoms. The right answer is option B, they can share electrons with the chlorine. Next question. Which of the following oxide of iron would be obtained on prolonged reaction of iron with the steam? The options are FeO, Fe2O3, Fe3O4, Fe2O3 and Fe2O4. The right answer is option C. Next question. Which of the following are not ionic compounds? The right answer is option B, HCl and CCl4. Next question. The electronic configuration of three elements X, Y, Z are as follows. X is equals to 2, 4, Y is equals to 2, 7, Z is equals to 2, 1. Which two elements will combine to form an ionic compound and write the correct formula? Options are X2Y, YZ, XZ3, YX. The right answer is option B, YZ. Next question. The highly reactive metal like a sodium, potassium, magnesium, etc. are extracted by the? Options are electrolysis of their molten chloride, electrolysis of their molten oxide, reduction of aluminium, reduction of carbon. The right answer is electrolysis of their molten chloride. Next question. Example of amphoteric oxide is? Options are Na2O, K2O, Al2O3, MgO. The right answer is Al2O3. Which among the following is an acidic oxide? Options are Na2O, CO, CO2, Al2O3. The right answer is option C, CO2. Next question. The process in which carbonate ore is heated strongly in the absence of air to convert into a metal oxide is called? Options are roasting, reduction, calcination, smelting. The right answer is option C, calcination. Next question. Oxides of moderately reactive metal like zinc, iron, nickel, tin, copper, etc. are reduced by using. Options are aluminium as reducing agent, sodium as a reducing agent, carbon as reducing agent, calcium as reducing agent. The right answer is carbon as reducing agent. Next question. In thermite welding, a mixture of dash and dash is ignited with a burning magnesium ribbon which produces molten iron metal as a large amount of heat is involved. Options are iron 3 oxide and aluminum powder, iron 2 oxide and aluminum powder, iron 3 chloride and aluminum powder, iron 3 sulfate and aluminum powder. The right answer is option A, iron 3 oxide and aluminum powder. Next question. Galvanization is melted of protecting iron from coating with a thin layer of gallium, aluminium, zinc, silver. The right answer is zinc. Next question. An element X is a soft and can be cut with a knife. This is very reactive to air and cannot be kept open in air. It reacts vigorously with the water. Identify the element from the following. Options are Mg, Na, P, Ca. The right answer is option B, Na. Next question. Reaction between X and Y forms compound Z and X. Loses elements and Y gains electron. Which of the following properties is not shown by Z? Options are has high melting point, has low melting point, conducts electricity in molten state, occurs as solid. The right answer is option C, conducts electricity in molten state. Next question. The electronic configuration of three elements X, Y and Z are X2, 8, Y2, 7 and Z2, 8, Which of the following is correct? Options are X is metal, Y is metal, Z is non-metal, Y is non-metal and Z is metal. The right answer is option C, Z is a non-metal. Amalgam is an alloy of copper and tin, mercury, lead and tin, copper and zinc. The right answer is option B, mercury. Next question. Copper object loses their shine and form green coating. Options are copper oxide, copper hydroxide and copper oxide, basic copper carbonate, copper carbonate. The right answer is option C, basic copper carbonate. Thank you students. Okay, thank you. If you need more related videos, please visit our channel. Thank you for supporting. Please do subscribe Decibel Study. If you have any doubts, you can comment below. Thank you.